Okay, so let's take a quick walk through the Gold Rush members area. Okay, so this is step one. You'll see on the navigation here, we've got step one, join the Gold Rush. Step two, X marks the spot. Step three, pan for gold. Step four, unearth the golden nuggets. Step five, turn nuggets into bullion. And step six, prospecting for cash. And then we've got bonuses, three bonuses. We'll go and take a look at those as well. And we'll probably go and take a look at these OTOs also. So here we are on step one. This is the first video, really just an orientation video. Welcome to the Gold Rush, as this guy says. What a freak. Okay, so that is the first video, just really an orientation video. But then we get stuck into the main training with component number two. Okay, so each of these trainings, if we just go through here, you'll see, I'm going to scroll down here. So this is a 16-minute module or challenge. Okay, we call them challenges because what happens at the end of this challenge is an automatic link appears at the bottom, and people get to post a badge and claim a badge for completing that challenge. And anybody that completes a challenge and posts about it on Facebook can win $1,000. Okay, we're also giving $5,000 away on the live Gold Rush call for all the Gold Rush buyers. Okay, so there's $6,000 in cash up for grabs that will be given away to Gold Rush members. For each module, there is a transcript available so people can read. There is an MP3 audio available so people can listen. There's obviously the video and people can download the slides as well. So we've got each of these modules. Some of them are around half an hour, some a little bit longer, some a little bit less. Basically, X marks the spot, pan for gold, unearth the golden nuggets, turn nuggets into bullion, prospecting for cash. Literally taking everybody from scratch as if they're a man off the street, and how to make money online, where the money is online and how to get it, the quickest route to the money. And what we focus on with all the Gold Rush training is what we call MEMO, M-E-M-O, which is minimum effort for maximum output. So the quickest and easiest ways to generate income online. It's over-the-shoulder videos, it's theory videos, it's walkthroughs, it's step-by-step training, do this, click this, go here, and also kind of case studies of me putting this stuff in action as well. Now, if we go into the bonuses, so this is all just the front end, by the way. This is just the front end product. We also go into this bonus number one. We've got the money finder method here. There are a number of traffic methods in this particular video outlined. Free traffic, again, transcript and audio available for this. We've then got the triple threat traffic tactic. Again, more free traffic methods explained in this particular module. Transcript and MP3 audio available as well. And then we also have a killer copy cheat sheet, which has got tons of words and sales copy for use in affiliate promotions that people can just copy and paste. This is all part of the front end offer for just $9.95. Okay, they get all of this, all 6 modules, videos, transcripts, audios, and slides, and then the same for all 3 bonuses. Let's move on then to the OTOs. These OTOs are available only as a pure one-time offer. Okay, so people cannot buy these after they've gone through the funnel. They need to buy them when they are buying the front end. If they say no, they can't get them. Okay, we're not giving them to people in the members area. There's going to be no upgrades here in the members area. They cannot post a support ticket and say, can I get that upgrade? It's a true one-time offer. So there's 3 things that they get with this first one-time offer, which is the Gold Diggers Toolkit, which is $47 one-off. That is, they get commission creating templates, they get training modules on how to turn emails into money, they also get the $500,000 campaign, and they get psychological sales triggers which make people buy. Okay, so that's OTO number 1. The commission creating templates is a series of templates which have made me tens of thousands of dollars. They get to copy and paste these for affiliate promotions and use them as their own. How to turn emails into money is a in-depth training on how to create promos, not necessarily just emails, but how to create affiliate promos that get sales. The $500,000 campaign shows them a step-by-step case study everything that I did to make $500,000 in commissions in one campaign. And then with the sales triggers, they get these psychological sales triggers explained to them and handed over to them on a silver platter. So again, they can use those to generate income and get people to buy through their link. Okay, so that's the Gold Diggers Toolkit, OTO number 1, $47 one-time fee. Let's move on to OTO number 2, which is the monthly gold mines. Okay, the monthly gold mines. So the monthly gold mines, as it says here, these are done for you promos. Okay, done for you promos. I believe there is, if I'm just remembering this correctly, let me come back here. I think there's over 1,000 of these. I think there's 1,100 of these promos, and these are ready-made gold mines that people can copy and paste and use right away. So I've handcrafted affiliate promotions, over 1,000 of them, one by one. I've handcrafted them. These are not swipe files that a vendor's given me. I've handwritten each of these promotions using my 20 years of marketing experience, and people can copy these, just take out my affiliate link, put in their affiliate link, and paste them on Facebook, their blog, LinkedIn, turn them into a YouTube video, do whatever they want with them and make money with them. And there's over 1,000 of them right here. And I've set up relationships with each of the vendors for these products that are all evergreen and still on sale. I've set up relationships so that the people that buy this can get approval for these products. Okay, so it gives people a shortcut to promote. It gives them ready-made promos they can copy and paste and make money with, and we're calling this the monthly gold mines. Now this is $27 a month because we had a bunch of these in new. Every single month we're adding new ones, and they get 1,100 of them right off the bat for their first $27 investment, which is absolutely insane. And that's what they get, the monthly gold mines. Now we have sold this previously. We've kind of rebranded it here. It's also available as what's called Commissionology and Commission Machines Monthly. It's the same offer, and we're offering it here as OTO2. In addition to that, obviously we've got the help area, FAQ, submit ticket, our opening hours, all the usual stuff. So there you go. That is the Gold Rush. You've really seen everything here. You've seen a walkthrough of the members area, all the different modules. For every single module, as mentioned before, for every single module there's a transcript, a video, an MP3 audio. We've seen all the bonuses. We've gone through all the OTOs. So that is it. That is the Gold Rush program, and that's what you get when you invest.